Leader of the PNP party and opposition, Mark Golding, has announced that the PNP party will not go forward with any magisterial recount, but they will be going to the electoral court, and the name really is self-explanatory, where they go to have disputes or resolve disputes as they deal with elections. They'll be going to them about the Kingston Central, which is the seat held or won recently by the leader of the governing party, JLP party, which is Dr. Andrew Holness. As to what may come of this is just left to be seen, because at the end of the day, right, if it does show that there are indeed irregularities as what they are claiming, this is not a good look. And I'm not talking about from a PNP or a GLP standpoint. From a Jamaican standpoint, that's not a good look if indeed irregularities are found. I personally don't think anything will come of it. I heard someone say that Tufton said that they should stop focusing on this and start focusing on being an opposition party, which I partially agree with. But if there is indeed irregularities, we need to know, and we need to know now. But yeah, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Like, ensure that you like, follow, share, and comment. And please, I'm asking, if you're seeing this video anywhere apart from YouTube, I'm asking you to head over to my YouTube and follow me there. Kthoughts876. My handle will be above my head.